Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a OLM roof spoiler that I got for the Subi. So this is it without it, real quick. Just nothing on there. But I'm gonna show you how to install this today. It's gonna be pretty easy. Honestly, we're just gonna clean this up with some alcohol, and we are going to apply the adhesive, clean up the rear window, and then from there, yeah, we'll just stick it on and show you some B-roll shots of it, just how it looks. But I picked this up on OfferUp, got a good deal for it, so gonna just go ahead and show you guys how to get this installed, and we'll get that started right now. Alright, so first things first, the rear windshield is really dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that so the adhesive sticks very nicely. So I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so now that the rear windshield is clean, we're going to clean this up with some alcohol in the back and stick the adhesive. This design's pretty cool though. I like it. It's got a nice angle to it, coming off a good lip to the back. So I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but I think it's going to look great on the car. Alright, so now we're going to prep the surface for the adhesive, so I'm just going to wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol. Get all this off. That way the adhesive sticks very nice. Alcohol dries up very quickly. We'll get this on. Alright guys, now that we have the surface prepped, I'm going to go ahead and stick some of this on right here so you guys can see. This stuff works pretty well. It's very strong, and yeah, I have a few rolls of it, so we're going to apply this right now. See the test fit. Like that. I want to see how much is actually going to be required. Just apply it from the edge like this. Just follow it along the whole time. Alright guys, so now that we have the adhesive on, we got it just basically just along where it's going to sit. Since this flares up, just going to apply it right there, and we have it on the sides because that's going to actually sit flush on the windshield. So we'll undo this, we'll do the test fit to where it's actually going to sit, because it's a little shorter than the windshield, so there's going to be a little bit extra room. So we'll get that situated and get that set up right, and we'll stick this on. Alright, so the adhesive is ready to go, and we're going to go ahead and just place this on the windshield of the car, the rear windshield, and yeah, we'll do that right now. You need to be very careful where you press it. We're going to shoot for literally the actual glass of the windshield. Alright, so we laid it down evenly and it looks good. We got great fitment on it. Goes all the way to the edge of the glass right there. I'll show you the other side too. And we did the same. for this side all the way to the edge of the glass, so we got a good fitment on it. And I'm just gonna be pressing it down just so we get that adhesive to stick very nicely. And I'm already loving the way this looks. Something very subtle, but just a good little touch up for aesthetics. It looks nice. I'm gonna put this back in the sunlight so you guys can see. I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, it's on. It looks good. I love the way it came out. I'm happy I picked it up on OfferUp actually for cheaper than what they sell it for on Subispeed, but it's from Subispeed, and I will leave the link in the description below. And it's paint matched with all the colors that they have right now, so if you guys are interested in getting it, hopefully this video shows it's pretty easy to put on your car. And yeah, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below, and if you guys can please hit that like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Next week we have a paint matched gurney flap and a carbon fiber trunk spoiler going on, also from Subispeed, so I'll let you guys know when that's going on, and we'll make a video for that as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week.